The Bluffs of St. Teresa is a magnificent 17,000-acre tract of land situated among the rolling hills on the scenic Gulf of Mexico. There is nothing like this property in the state of Florida or the northern Gulf Coast available today. This property offers the savvy investor a unique opportunity to own a piece of what early Florida visitors called paradise. Florida's allure from its early days to the present begins with three fundamental traits that set it apart from every other state: our abundant sunshine, year-round beautiful weather, and easy access to water. And while these qualities are in ample supply at the Bluffs of St. Teresa, they are just the beginning of its story. This property enjoys a secluded yet accessible location in the area of Florida's eastern panhandle and shares a contiguous border with Ball Point State Park on the Gulf of Mexico. U.S. Highway 98 fronts the acreage for a total of 9 miles, and the capital city of Tallahassee is a short 45-minute drive away. The beaches of Alligator Point and the communities of Panacea and St. Teresa are all just minutes from this property. Water access and the charm of being near it is one of the property's main assets. There is an astounding 17 miles of frontage on some of Florida's most beautiful waterways, including 2 miles on the Gulf of Mexico, over 6 miles on Ochlockonee Bay, and 8.5 miles on the lazy and winding Ochlockonee River. No large, single property available in the state of Florida today can lay claim to this same feature. Yet, this surprising amount of water frontage is not characteristic of this as a wetlands property. The majority of the acreage is uplands, high and dry with sandy soils and picturesque bluffs that quickly rise to 20 feet in some areas. The soils are well drained, ensuring opportunity for residential and commercial development. The Bluffs of St. Teresa is a total of 17,080 acres and is currently managed for timber production, with most of the uplands planted to pine. Continuation of the forestry program can produce an uninterrupted revenue stream until the property is developed. The fundamental attraction of this land is its sheer beauty, uniqueness, and future potential. An investor with vision will also see this property's long-term appreciation and wealth preservation as solid reasons to invest in its future.